Hello, I'm Saxon McEwen from Retro Fluid Handling Systems. Today I want to just give you a quick rundown on this 20-foot lube station we've built for a earth moving contractor. Obviously, being a earth moving contractor, they're on site for short periods of time with extreme busyness and going to be moving this around about every 3 to 6 months. So they come to us, saw a bit of our content online and thought they'd see if we can help. After a bit of discussion, and we met their lead time requirement, they trusted us to execute on the build. This particular client was facing a challenge with dispensing their oils from IBCs and drums. Previously they'd had it on a trailer open, but we're looking for something that's more enclosed and out of the weather to ensure no contamination in their earth moving equipment. After collaborating, we understood their requirements were to dispense coolant, oil and grease out of both IBCs and drums. To make that possible, we have installed a diaphragm pump for the coolant and piston pumps for the oils and grease, and metered handpieces in the dispensing hatch so they can keep track of how much oil is going in each machine. We're running the Lube brand of pumps for this project and our own brand of Real Easy spring rewind reels. It was a real pleasure working with this earth moving contractor, and we're looking forward to seeing this equipment on use around sites in Western Australia.